In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a second company in Gusto. If you are already signed into Gusto, start from your current account homepage, move to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access options related to your profile and company settings. From that drop-down menu, click Add Company. Gusto will open the Add Company page, where you can begin creating the second company under your account. On this page, enter the admin first name and admin last name in the fields provided. After that, enter the new business name in the company name field. Make sure the company name matches the business you want to add before moving forward. Next, look for the section labeled How does this company currently run payroll? Here you will choose one of two options. Select this company is new to payroll if the business has not used payroll before, or select this company uses another online payroll software. If payroll is currently handled elsewhere, choose the option that matches the company you are adding. Once those details are filled in, click Save. Gusto will then ask whether this company is the result of a change in the Federal Identification Number, or FEIN. At this point, select Yes or No based on the situation for your company. After making that choice, click Next to continue. You will then arrive at the package page. This page shows the Gusto plan for the company, along with any benefits and insurance options and any available add-ons. Take a moment to review what is included on this screen so you know which package settings will apply to the new company. If anything needs to be adjusted, use Change Plan or Change Options. Those controls let you update the package before the company is finalized. If the current selections are already correct, you can leave them as they are and continue. When you are ready, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Continue with this package. Gusto will process the setup and add the second company to your account. If the page takes a moment to update, wait for it to finish before moving on. After the company has been added, open your profile menu again in the top right corner. You will now see a Switch Company option in that menu. Use Switch Company anytime you need to move between the companies connected to your Gusto account. This is the option that confirms the second company has been added and is now available to access. Thanks for watching. Your second company is now added in Gusto and available through the Switch Company menu.